I just finished the SaaS starter kit template. The whole point of the app was meant for someone to like go to it, download the repository, and have access to everything they need for a software as a service application. I included things like authentication, Stripe payments, user management, like a dashboard to manage your user payments. Basically, it's everything you really needed, that is in my mind, to launch quicker. But I'm actually quite disappointed with how it turned out. Like, I feel like it really looks bad. Like, it does not look like something I would build. I really focused on like clean design, or like, sorry, minimal design, you could say, but it didn't come out minimal at all. It looked clunky. And frankly, if I did not have the deadline of 31 days to finish that, then I don't think I would have ever even released it to the public. And you know what? You learn from your mistakes. And frankly, after taking a couple days off from coding, I thought to myself, you know what? Let's start a new project. And so what I'd like to do in this video is just talk about that. I don't even know why, but hopefully if you're doing the same thing, you know, we're kind of aligned with that. You know, we're going to cover like the tech stack, how I plan to monetize, the idea itself, you know, everything that really goes into business. And hopefully, you know, you can learn as well. But the business idea that I really have in mind here and what I really want to build is a fitness app that generates workouts based off of your height, your weight, your experience, your gender, you know, everything like that. But it generates like a good plan of workout for you to do, and also like a diet plan for you to follow. I know that a lot of apps have this feature. Like, you can just go to some app right now, but I feel like a lot of the fitness apps today it's overly complicated. They're showing you videos of workouts, and then they're upselling you on a bunch more things. Like, the feature itself is within a bigger app, and I just don't like that. And my vision of it, you know, and partly why I'm making this is because I'm getting into fitness, and my sister's working out too, and we're all on this journey towards a healthier life. And I really was interested because she was asking me what the best workout is. My mom's asking me what the best workout is. I just don't think there's like a nice little program for that. And I know it's not the craziest app, but I think, you know, taking these time off and my lessons from the SaaS starter kit is you don't need a crazy app. I think starting somewhere and very simple, that's the principle that a lot of good entrepreneurs follow. At least what I've noticed is just start somewhere simple with one feature and let people try it out. So like, the main goal of this application, before we get into like my stack and how I plan to make money from this, because I feel like that's a quite important thing of business, obviously, it's to avoid confusion for new people working out and giving you the best advice possible through a simple program. The user will be able to go to the app, input their data, and they're outputted a good workout that fits what they like. So if they want to work out 3 days a week, they have an easy to follow plan. No videos, nothing like that, just the words. So bench press 4 to 6 reps, you know, stuff like that. It's very, very simple. And so I'll be documenting a lot of this on YouTube. Like, I'll probably do some live streams developing, and just doing some hangouts and talking about this more and more. And so what I want to do next now is just go over like the plan of the app, and I'll make a full dedicated video towards how I plan out my software and how I'm planning this one. Real quick, the color scheme that I really want for this, and I'm really getting to design, I'm actually quite proud of myself. The design I want for this is a lighter, like sort of whitish background, with the main primary color being like a darkish, or yeah, you could say darkish ocean blue. It fits the fitness space really well. That's the sort of vibe I'm getting, but you know, that's not that important. The main part though is the tech stack I'll be using, and for that, in my mind right now, I really want Next.js frontend and backend, Daisy UI as the UI library. I've been loving Daisy UI. I've been really enjoying it. It's a lot different than a lot of these modern ones. Like, it doesn't look the same, it feels different, it's something really original. I just really appreciate that something like this is out. And then for the backend, on top of Next.js, I love ORMs, so I want to use it. I'm going to be using probably, I'm not sure, either Drizzle or Prisma. Because this is a simpler app, I'm probably leaning more towards Prisma, but I might go with Drizzle and then a Postgres database. I might even use Docker, but I don't want to go all in on that. I just want to build something as fast as possible. And so my American watchers right now, you know, a good deal of you are American. You're probably asking me, how are you going to make money from this app? Zor, how are you gonna make money from this app? And so for the fitness thing, right, there's no way I'm gonna charge for the actual fitness, like the workout plan. Like, I just don't think that that is a smart idea. No, not everyone's gonna pay for it. So what I plan to do is I'm probably gonna give away that generator for free, but after they download it, I may either show them ads, but I'm probably not gonna do that. I'm gonna upsell them onto something better. So let's say you're a user, you go into the app, you say, oh, okay, you get your workout, and then at the end, you get a pop-up saying, hey, do you want a diet regimen for $3? And I feel like a good amount of people, or at least a certain amount of people, will click yes, they'll use it, and I'll be rich from $3. But again, we're only in the planning stages here. I just wanted to talk about, you know, what I'm trying to build for the next part of this journey of mine. I know it's a lot different than what I'm used to. Like, I just don't want to do something for developers. I already made 2 products for developers, and I kind of just want to branch out of that for a bit because, man, people are just too hyper focused on design and, you know, how something's built, and understandably so because we're developers. But I just want to make something for non-developers for once. I feel like I'd enjoy that. People would enjoy that too. So just a cool thing overall. And I obviously plan to document this a lot more. Like, I'm going to make live streams and I'm going to talk about it. So stay tuned for that. But yeah, hopefully, you know, you're motivated with your own quote unquote business idea. But I think this is going to be a fun, simple one. And just looking around the space, I feel like this is the best type of business someone can do, at least with my experience. Like, I have experience with business in terms of developing. I cannot make a huge, crazy app. Like, I've made a learning platform. I think that's quite complicated. I can't make a big app, like, you know, that's has different intricacies by myself, at least right now. And I think sticking with something simple, something with one feature that someone can just go to, use, and pay for, I think that's the best thing, and I'm gonna learn a lot, and I'm really, really, really excited. And so what I want you to do is, if you're interested in business and you have a business idea, then drop it below. Like, just let me know what your business is. We can talk about it. If you like the video, like the video. If you want to check out the learning platform and build cool shit, I'll also leave the link to the platform down below. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.